Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with BorgBackup for deduplicated VPS backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with BorgBackup for deduplicated VPS backups, begin by ensuring you have a VPS set up and running. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Update your package lists by running the command sudo apt update. Install BorgBackup by running sudo apt install BorgBackup. Once the installation is complete, create a directory for your backups. Use the command dir/BorgBackups to create this directory. Next, generate a Borg repository. Run the command borginit encryption equals repo key/BorgBackups. This will initialize the backup repository with encryption. You will be prompted to set a passphrase for your encryption key. Make sure to remember this passphrase, as you will need it for future access. Now that you have your repository set up, it's time to create your first backup. Use the command borg create/BorgBackups mybackup now %y-%m-%d /path/to/files. Replace /path/to/files with the actual directory you wish to backup. To check the status of your backups, run borglist/BorgBackups. This will display a list of all existing backups in the repository. If you need to restore files, you can do so using the command borgextract/BorgBackups mybackup-date. Replace date with the date of the specific backup you want to restore. To automate backups, consider creating a cron job. Edit the cron tab by running cron tab E. Add a line for your backup command to run at specified intervals. Save the changes and exit the cron tab editor. Now you have a basic BorgBackup setup for deduplicated VPS backups. You are ready to manage and secure your backups efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.